there! Today, we're going to explore how to choose the right graph for your data. We'll be focusing on 3 specific types: bar graphs, double bar graphs, and line graphs. I'm Mrs. Spidel, and I'll be guiding you through this session. You can also follow more of these educational tips by subscribing, for free, to my channel, geniusplustwins. Before we dive into the graphs themselves, it's essential to understand the type of data we're working with. We generally categorize data as either discrete or continuous. Knowing the difference is the first step in deciding which graph will represent your information most accurately. First, let's look at bar graphs and double bar graphs. These are typically used for discrete data, information that can be categorized into distinct groups. Use a single bar graph to show totals for different categories. Use them when your data is grouped into distinct types, such as the different types of fruit shown in this example. Looking at our fruit graph, we can immediately see that apples are the most popular choice, while oranges are the least. Use a double bar graph when you want to compare 2 different sets of data across those same categories. The main advantage here is the side-by-side layout, which allows you to compare 2 different groups across the same categories simultaneously. When creating these, the key is crucial. You must use different colors and include a legend so your audience knows exactly which bar represents which group. This format is great for surveys. For example, it is perfect for showing how different grade levels answered a question, or for comparing preferences between 2 distinct groups within your academy. Looking at our example, you can easily compare the popularity of soccer, basketball, track and field, and swimming between the 2 groups surveyed. Finally, they provide clear differences. It makes it easy to see at a glance which category is the winner or the loser. Finally, we have line graphs. These are most effective for continuous data, especially when you want to show how a specific variable changes over a period of time. They help us visualize trends and patterns clearly. That's all for now. Until the next video.